guys, welcome back to Toys and Games. That is my channel, and thanks for over 100 subscribers. This is a big achievement for me. For that I bought a lot of toys. We're opening 6 of them. We have Fortnite figures, a figure called Raptor, another one Havoc, and we have Aim, and we're opening Hot Wheel cars. We have Electric Silhouette, which is yellow, that looks cool at the back. And we have Rocket Rocker. I think I've seen this car before. It has a green body with a yellow bottom. And next we have the Twin Meo Gen E. This is one of the coolest cars I've ever seen. This is the Twin Meo Gen Electric, and this is so cool. So let's open the Hot Wheel cars first. They're so cool. Let's start with Twin Meo Gen E. Okay. Did not open as I expected. So here is Twin Meo Gen E. As you can see, we have a white stripe and a yellow stripe going side by side, and we have a little circle with a square inside of it. And we have the really long front and the pointed, and the headlights which are pointed. We have the bottom, very classic, and the wheels are wide. They have this spiked type of design. Here we have a little silver box, and here is a closer look of the coolest generation of a twin male. Okay, let's open our next car. Let's park this in front of Aim. So here we have Hyper Rocker, and let's open this up. So it has the number 3 on its top. We have Sandy Cane written on the bonnet, and suspension under it. We have the side. The front has 3 blue headlights, and the bottom is black. Of course, we have really big wheels. We have the back here, and you see this we have a little windshield on the back, and we have headlights, rear lights. Here is a closer look. That's actually very cool. Okay, now it's time for my favorite car after that twin male. We have our Electric Silhouette. Okay, easier than I expected again. So at the back we have these 2 spoiler plates. I think that's what you call it. And the front has 2 hole type things that show the inside. Here's a closer look, and we have 1 seat with a steering wheel. We have the side with a blue glass door. Here's a closer look. Now let me show you a closer look of all of 3 cars. We have the Gen E, we have the Electric Silhouette, and I think this is a Hybrid. Yeah, there's a closer look. That looks so cool. Now let's open our figures. Let's put these aside. Let's start off with Raptor. See, let's open from the. Now let's open Raptor. See, does it have tape? Yep, it has tape. I'll quickly peel. Now let me cut the tape. Okay, now let's open the box. So here's all that came with it. Let's cut out Raptor before we do anything else, because that's the main thing of the whole set, the figure. Now I have unboxed it. Let's take a closer look at the figure. So we have his yellow mask. He's wearing headphones. We have the arms. They're quite movable. That me bring that back down. It's really movable. We have some knee pads to protect him. I think even his toes. Yep, his toes also move up and down. Let's take a closer look at his backpack. So here's his backpack. We have a little bottle and a shovel. I don't know what that is though. We have a handle. We have the thing that puts it into the figure. Let's place it in. And by the way, these are some grenades. Okay, now here's a closer look at his gun. So it has this barrel thing that stores all the bullets. So one by one they all shoot. Here's a handle. It's gonna go crazy. And here we have his pickaxe. It has some jagged sides. One side is jagged, and actually it's a shovel. We have a hole right here, and the back is pointy. And by the way, why does he need a second shovel? Okay, let's make him hold all of his stuff. Wait a minute. What are you doing, Key? What are you doing? It doesn't have the right size for it. His hand's not the right size for it. Now I've armed it with the shovel, the gun, and the backpack. I'm still crazed. He has a second shovel. Even though his shovel is a backpack. His pickaxe is his shovel. So let's put him on the stand. And now let's open AIM. That is a robot with aimbot. What? And here we have the other side. We have here how to open it. Okay, it's taking a minute. And by the way, on the back it shows all the stickers you can collect. Now let me open this. Right. Alright. Let's take out AIM. Okay, this is so cool. Let's also take all the stands are attached at the back of the box like that. I have unboxed it now. Let's take a closer look at the figure. So here's AIM. We have his head. His eyes are one. We have the arm parts. These are very cool that they're movable. This is a robot. And we have this on the back, which is, this one looks like a spinal cord. We have the hole for the backpack. We have our backpack. Here's the pause button. Tip, tip. We have hoses. This is like a pump. And now let's attach it on AIM. Sure need to press it. Okay, so we have attached it. Oh, come on. Can you please attach onto your owner? Now let's take a closer look at his pickaxe. So it's kind of like it has these like points that mine into whatever he's digging. We have this electric pump, I think. No, it's a pipe. So, and we have 2 pistols that come with him. Here's a closer look. Now let's attach everything onto him. So we have his pickaxe. Give me a second here. Okay. Now I have attached the pickaxe. Looks really cool. I'm gonna mind the camera. Okay, and now let's attach the pistol. This is so funny. Now stand. It's kind of hard to attach the pistols. And here we have attached 1 pistol onto AIM. So cool. And the second gun, I don't think it has any space. I will just put it inside of him. Now let's put him onto the stand. It has the word Fortnite on it. Because why not? This is a Fortnite figure. Come on! Aim! Why didn't you aim? Okay, so now I have put it on the stand. Let me spin it around in 360. I just don't know why there's a pause button on the back of his backpack. Maybe because it's a robot, a machine. Now let's put it with the raptor. And now for my favorite one, Haywalk. Now let's unbox it. Okay. So I think this goes like that. Yep. Oops. I broke the box. Let's take out Haywalk. We have here written 40 points of articulation. Now let's take out the figure. Let's put that aside. I don't think this one has the rubber. Yep. Okay, let me just shape it. Just shape it back and make him hold his pickaxe. Oh, come on, hold your pickaxe. It's making Haywalk. Now he has held it. And see, they made it realistic, like it's been used, because there's some like metal. The paint on the metal is kind of rubbed off. Okay, let's put him aside. Take out his backpack that already came out, which has 2 rockets. We have one with a shark face, creepy, and one is a smaller one. Let's attach it on to Haywalk. And I just noticed Haywalk is smaller than all of the other figures. Okay, I'm gonna make him hold this in one hand. Okay, hang on. Oh my god. I just noticed its hand can be open and closed, so you can perfectly adjust it. Let's take out our gun here. And right there. And my god, I'm still baffled. Now I'm gonna show you how to change his mask, and I've already arranged all of that. So what you do is you can pull this mask out with a closer look. It's creepy. And we have the one in which he has taken off the mask from his face. Looks determined. Now one of the funniest one. Let me just perfectly line that up. This is a surprised emotion. It's like, what? You're here? Now let's place that back, and I want to put the normal one. Okay, now it comes with, I think this is a big shield potion. I don't exactly know. And let's make him hold it. What? Why isn't he holding it? Is it? Now I have made him hold his grenade. And here's a big shield potion again. Let's put it on his hand. I'm just showing this, it doesn't attach perfectly. Make it go higher. So it's very detailed. Indeed, it's very detailed. Now let me take this off and let's take a closer look at his pickaxe. Boink, boink. And the back, the side. We also have that. It's like a pipe. I think this is part of that. And still in the closer look. And we have our gun. This looks like a shotgun. No, this is a gun. This is like a pump. I don't know. I don't play much. If you know it, please write its name in the comments section. Okay, now let's make Haywalk stand, and let me give him his pickaxe. Okay, it's cool. And here is our figure, and we have the back, the backpack, and here is our figure with a grenade, and a pickaxe. Now let's make it stand with brothers. Okay, cool. I noticed the other ones are bigger. Here are the accessories. Let's put them beside him. We have the gun, one mask, the other one, and our shield. I have an older one for my collection. I'll give you some quick details from it. Luckily, I know the name of his gun. This is a tactical shotgun. Looks so cool. And we have his pickaxe with silver on the edges. And he has his backpack. It has a walkie-talkie and a bottle. Let me put them with the other figures and then we'll get a closer look. So, as you can see, every stand has the word Fortnite on it. Now, let's put on the figure. And okay, it's taking a second because it's... Oh, come on, just put your foot into that hole. So let me put that with the other figures. Let's take in our cars. We have the Gen E, the electric silhouette. Last but not least, we got the rock. We have ready. Here's a closer look at all of the toys we opened today. Look at all of those toys. Even Jonesy's happy. We have all the cars. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment and hit that bell notification. See you next time. Bye.